watching Phones.ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about another variant. Yes, today we are going to talk about Huawei series, another variant, which has been in the market in 2014, and today we are going to discuss about that too also. We can say that this variant was in the market but has been as a very amazing or a different variant out here, or we can say that this variant was not just a variant but a step to revolution or a step to evolution we can say. क्योंकि मेट सीरीज की बात करें, मेट 7 एसेंट की सीरीज जो थी वो बहुत ही अलग सीरीज रही है. इट हैज बीन अ डिफरेंट सीरीज आउट है and has been a different variant out here also, we can say that. So talking about this series, let us first talk about the specifications and why I'm talking about this series and why I said let us see what are the merits, demerits, or we can say the drawbacks of this phone. इस वेरिएंट की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि इस वेरिएंट में आपको बहुत कुछ खास देखने को मिलेगा एज कम्पेयर टू दी इवॉल्व्ड वर्जन्स. और मतलब इस सीरीज में ना कुछ ज्यादा अलग चीज करने की कोशिश की गई है. इट हैज बीन ट्राइड कि ये सीरीज जो है एवोल्यूशन की तरफ आए. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्पेसिफिकेशंस इटसेल्फ है. Talking about the specifications of this phone, talking about this phone out here, this phone has got a great heavy weight. Yes, इस सीरीज में इवॉल्व होते हुए जितने भी फोन से all the upgraded versions out है, they were very less out here, but this phone is quite heavy, which is around 180 and 190, मतलब around 190 grams तक का इसका weight है, which you will also see an advantage which we have not seen in the this series phone. You will see that this has a protection of Gorilla Glass 3 along with aluminium back and aluminium frame, so this is also an advantage out here. Talking about the advantages of this phone, this has a micro SIM and is an hybridal dual SIM phone, like hybridal dual SIM phone it is. So definitely it can be used as a mini SIM also, but very rarely people use that slot for mini SIM because mostly that slot is being used as a memory card expandability. Yes, that's for use as an expandable one. Talking about this variant, the expandability is necessary because the internal storage capacity of this phone, is very less. It's about 16 GB of the internal storage capacity along with 2 GB RAM, or another variant is 32 GB along with 3 GB RAM. So we can say it is required now. Earlier it was not required, but it's required now. A drawback to this phone could be said the operating system, because it uses, as compared to 2014 model, it's okay to use Android 4 out there, but in 2020 models it's not actually usable, and today it's not actually great to use Android 4 version out here. Definitely upgradability is required, so the upgradability of this phone is up to Android 6, which is still an operational one, we can say. It can be still operated out here. But when we talk about this phone, its resolution, its pixelarity or the density, that is quite a nice variant, which is about 368. So कह सकते हैं कि काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. This is one of the advantage out here for this phone. Whereas you will also get to see that this phone offers you a 13 megapixel camera. Rear camera is offered at just for 13 megapixel out here for you guys. Whereas you will also get to see that this variant offers you a selfie camera. This offers you a selfie camera out here, which is of just 5 megapixel. मतलब 5 megapixel का selfie camera भी यहाँ पर offer हो रहा है. Along with that, you will get to see FM, you will get to see 3.5 jack, you will get to see the speakers, the Bluetooth, hotspot connectivity, Wi-Fi, gyro, proximity compass, everything is there. Whereas if we talk about the battery of this phone, we can say that this has got a great battery life of about 4100 mAh. The 4100 mAh की बैटरी काफी ज्यादा अच्छी मानी जा सकती है. Along with the colors, they have built a great classic colors of this phone. The variants have made really amazing colors. मतलब colors भी काफी ज्यादा अच्छे बनाए गए हैं. Talking about this phone, we can say there are few disadvantages to this phone as well as, and the major disadvantages to this वेरिएंट आउट है, मतलब जिस वेरिएंट की हम बात कर रहे हैं, इस वेरिएंट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेजर डिसएडवांटेजेस की बात करें तो होगी कि इसमें बैटरी जो है नॉन एक्सचेंजेबल है, बिकॉज 2014 मॉडल्स में उम्मीद थी कि एक्सचेंजेबल बैटरी हो, नॉन रिमूवेबल से ज्यादा रिमूवेबल प्रेफर्ड रहती थी उस टाइम पे. Whereas you will also see that it does not go against or does not compete with the high quality HD phone screens of that range. मतलब जिस रेंज में आता है तो उसके क्वालिटी HD वाले फोन से compete नहीं कर पा रहा है. It could not compete out there. It actually competes. We can say जब ये release हुआ था तब ये compete करता था, अब नहीं कर पाता है. Earlier it used to compete, like it was very expensive model out here. And later on we can say that this model did not go well with the pricing, and उस pricing में भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे variants देखने को मिले. 13 मेगापिक्सल का इसमें भले ही सेल्फी रेयर कैमरा है 13 मेगापिक्सल का, but we can say the video quality out there is very poor, because it does not offer you about a great video quality of 4K or something like that, but it offers you very less quality of video out there, because कह सकते हैं 30 FPS के साथ बहुत ही बुरी क्वालिटी के साथ ये आया था फोन. So this is all about the disadvantages of this phone, and since this phone is available on various sites and with amazing prices, but it is still available in few sites with a normal price, pocketable price. And talking about such site is one of the site we can say is the site जिसका description में link दिया हुआ है. All you have to do is click on the description link and then you will directly land up to this kind of a website. So this kind of a website you will directly land up, जहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलता है आपके favorite brands, आपके favorite products, everything out here. You get to see such kind of things. Talking about this variant, talking about this site, it has got your favorite mobile phones in this category. This search bar helps you to know the variant. Why I'm searching out a new variant, why I have clicked on that, the main reason is so that I come to know about my result, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि हाँ मेरा result कैसा है, मैं जिस product के बारे में पता कर रही हूँ, is it in pocketable rates or not, condition क्या है, everything out there. So this is the result out here. Talking about the results out there, we can say that there is a description box. Description box है जिसमें आपको सब कुछ देखने को मिलता है. This has got a 6-inch screen also. We have seen 6-inch screen भी है इसमें. Talking about this phone, it has got a condition which is written as refurbished condition. So let us talk about the refurbished condition also and see what refurbished condition is, और हम कह सकते हैं refurbished condition actually में होती क्या है. तब हम बात करेंगे इसकी pricing के बारे में, site के बारे में और बाकी सारी चीजों के बारे में. But let's first talk about the refurbished condition here. Talking about the refurbished product and the brand new product, we can say that the refurbished products, these are quite similar like the brand new products. मतलब कह सकते हैं कि yes, they are quite similar in use, in looks, everything. As well as when we say the refurbished word, when we say refurbished, re itself means again, whereas furbished itself means creating new. मतलब इन दोनों का मतलब ही ये होता है कि आप कुछ नया बना रहे हैं, आप कुछ नया कर रहे हैं. So this is what refurbished actually means. Talking about the refurbished word and the refurbished products, talking about refurbished, actually talking about refurbished. So talking about refurbished, we can say that is something which you create, which you make, which you do for again and again, or we can use it again and again. We can say that. What is the main similarity between a refurbished product and a brand new product? If we talk about that, then we can say that brand new products, these are verified, tested, and given certificates. Yes, these are given certificates, these are tested out, these are given testimonials are given to these certificate products. Whereas refurbished products are also testified, these are certified, verified, and given a testimonial. When these are given, they both are actually similar, बिल्कुल सेम ही होते हैं, चाहे वो इनका टेस्ट हो इनकी कनेक्टिविटी को लेकर, इनकी ब्लूटूथ को लेकर, या हो इनके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स को लेकर, लाइक द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर, ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर इज देयर, चाहे वो इसके आउटर लुक को लेकर हो, चाहे वो इसके डिस्प्ले को हो, कैमरा को हो, ऑडियो क्वालिटी, वीडियो क्वालिटी, एनीथिंग आउट है, मतलब कुछ भी हो, सबके लिए there is a certification for brand new products, and that's what happens with the refurbished products here itself. मतलब इन दोनों में भी सेम चीज होती है. When we talk about these kind of products, when we say about these products, when we talk about the products out there, we can say कि yes, इन दोनों में जब इतना कुछ similar है, इतना कुछ same है, then why are they different? They are different because of some aspects, like depending upon the warranty period, their pricing, we can say their uh, usage capacity, मतलब इन सब चीजों की वजह से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है. Now let's come to the point of the testimonials. मतलब ये testify अगर करते हैं, testimonials जब इन्हें दिया जाता है तो किन बेसिस पे दिया जाता है? इन्हें दिया जाता है इनके external और internal factors की बेसिस पे. Like when we talk about the brand new, there are certifications for the display, for the camera, everything. मतलब जो हम ऑलरेडी बात कर चुके हैं उन्हीं के बेसिस पर रिफर्बिश को भी टेस्टिफाई किया जाता है. There are around 29 to 30 parameters we say. 29 तो होते ही हैं, which includes the display, camera, audio, video, the SIM recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity, colorization, OS system, or the CPU, etc. All the factors which we study in our normal specification, normal phone out there, whichever we study. तो एंड साथ में ये भी कहा जा सकता है कि इन सब टेस्टिमोनियल्स के बाद, इन सबको पढ़ने के बाद, वी गेट टू हैव अ सर्टिफाइड एंड अ वेरीफाइड प्रोडक्ट, जस्ट लाइक द ब्रांड न्यू. मतलब जैसे ब्रांड न्यू होता है वैसे ही ये भी होते हैं. व्हेन दीज ऑल आर वेरीफाइड, दे आर सेड एज सर्टिफाइड रिफर्बिश्ड. जब सर्टिफाई हो जाते हैं तो इन्हें सर्टिफाइड रिफर्बिश्ड कहा जाता है. नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिफरेंस आउट देयर, मतलब सिमिलैरिटीज तो हम आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं. तो डिफरेंस की बात करते हैं. डिफरेंस की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि इनमें आपको ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं, डिफरेंस देखने को मिलता है इसकी प्राइसिंग को लेकर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइसिंग, इसमें आपको 15% की सेविंग्स हो जाती है. यस, दीज आर बिट लेस एक्सपेंसिव एज कम्पेयर टू ब्रांड न्यू. मतलब ब्रांड न्यू के कंपेरेटिवली थोड़ी सी लेस एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. सो यू गेट टू हैव we can say pocketable rates. That's come the point number 2. मतलब they are very pocketable. Yes, pocketable rates. So मतलब 2 points तो में clear हो गए कि savings हो जाती है, फिर pocketable rates पे आ जाते हैं. Number 3 comes out to be the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty period, you get to have a warranty of 6 months out there for refurbished products, whereas you get to have another kind of we can say usually what happens out there is कि किसी की 50% की वारंटी एक्चुअली मिलती है. जब हम रिफर्बिश की बात करते हैं, यू गेट टू हैव अ 50% वारंटी पीरियड आउट है, नॉट जस्ट 6 मंथ्स. 50% लगेगा. किसी ब्रांड की 1 ईयर की है तो आपको 6 मंथ्स मिलती है. Whereas usually every brand new product offers you 1 year warranty, so इसीलिए ज्यादातर प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए 6 मंथ्स की वारंटी पीरियड होती है. Talking about the another one, you get to have a 7-day replacement guarantee out here. 7 days replacement and money back guarantee is also given. So terms and conditions obviously. So that's a wonderful thing out here. And there are a lot of things which helps refurbished to be better than a furbished product, or we can say a brand new product. Talking about these products, what this site offers you, what actually this site offers you is all these categories as well as the best pricing. You can say the market price से भी थोड़ा अच्छा मिलता है यहाँ. As well as you get to have really amazing products, as well as you get to have something very exciting. अगर एक बार हम वेबसाइट को फिर से रिविजिट करते हैं तो आपको यहाँ पर जो मैंने अभी पॉइंट्स बताए रिफर्बिश्ड के, you get to have that, like 6 months warranty is there, 7-day exchange replacement guarantee is there, COD is already there out there, which I have already told. Free home delivery is there, 100% original products are there, as well as you get not just the products, you get n number of brands, n number of models, n number of things out है. मतलब हर चीज आपको देखने को मिलती है यहाँ पर. सिर्फ एक ही ब्रांड नहीं है. वी कैन से दिस इज अ वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल दी ब्रांड्स आउट है. तो सारे ही ब्रांड्स यहाँ देखने को मिल जाते हैं. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दैट, मतलब सी वी कैन हैव एप्पल, ब्लैकबेरी आउट हियर अगेन, वी हैव HTC, Huawei, LG. मतलब सारे ही ब्रांड्स यहाँ पर हैं विद द बेस्ट डील्स, बेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स आउट देयर. वी कैन से दिस हैज गॉट रियली अमेजिंग थिंग्स आउट है. तो आप जा सकते हैं गूगल पे एंड ऑल यू हैव टू टाइप इज phoneZone.ae. आप गूगल पे जाके ये भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस हेल्प्स यू आउट टू हैव अ great deal, great product, and something great out there in your pocketable rates. So this is all about the website out here. एक बार वेबसाइट को जाते जाते फिर विजिट कर लेते हैं. so that it helps out to know कैसी वेबसाइट है. So the website name is this phoneson.ae. So आप गूगल पे जाके भी ये कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पे आपको आपके बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं. So यही है आज के लिए हमारा छोटा सा रिव्यू अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.